This video brings you Courtyard 322 Square Stitching Embroidery Tutorial. From 1, enter the needle and go in 2. From 3, out and into 4. From 5, out and into 6. From 7, out and into 8. From 9, enter the needle and enter 10. From 11, out and into 12. From 13, out and into 14. From 15, out and into 16. From 17, enter the needle into 18. From 19, enter needle into 20. From 21, out and into 22. From 23, enter needle and enter 24. From 25, out and into 26. From 27, out and into 28. From 29, out and into 30. From 31, out and into 32. Two by 2 special needle sewing embroidery completed.